Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your driver's license in Missouri. So for you to be able to get your driver's license, you need to submit required documents to the nearest Missouri Department of Revenue office near your location. And right here in your screen, you can see all the required documents that you need to bring with you. So for first-time drivers, here are the valid documents that you need to bring. First is of course your proof of identity. So it could be a birth certificate or a valid government ID. Next is you also need to have date of lawful status and proof of social security number. You're also going to need to have proof of Missouri residential address and driver examination record or the Form 100. You could get it from Missouri State Highway Patrol or MSHP, indicating successful completion of tests. So this is not required for non-driver ID card, and you can also see here those acceptable documents. So for Real ID compliant, you can click on this link to view a PDF file. And here you can see the list of all acceptable documents for Real ID compliant document processing. So for proof of identity, as you can see, it could be a valid passport or card, certified US birth certificate, and a lot more. So all you have to do is bring all these required documents with you when you visit the nearest Missouri Department of Revenue office near your location. And from there, they should assist you further in getting your driver's license. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!